Hello. In this video, you will learn how the internal email and notification service works. These services are available to all users of the system once you log in. Log into the system. Internal emails are available in the corresponding section. Go in. Here you can access messages. They are organized like a classic mailbox: incoming correspondence, sent messages, drafts, and deleted messages. To create a new email, simply click the Compose button. Enter the recipient. You can add many recipients. Set importance. Add subject and content. In addition to text messages, you can add attachments. Use the Send button to dispatch the message. This way, you have sent a message to another user of the system. Using the internal email allows for the exchange of files and text messages in a secure manner. Another service available to all users is notifications. Notifications are messages from the system about events like received emails or the tasks. Tasks where you are the executor. How to access notifications. Go to the corresponding section. The system displays a list of all notifications for you. What are notifications about? There are notifications regarding receiving messages via internal email. Other notifications pertain to new tasks. You can view all notifications by clicking the appropriate link. You also have the option to filter notifications by the subject and content. By clicking a notification, you can access either an email message or a task. Notifications are shown to the user every time they log into the system as a small pop-up in the bottom right corner. The user can mark a notification as read, or they can postpone reading the notification. Notifications, together with internal email, facilitate communication within your clinic's team. Thank you.